Used for one session a day, the FlexTone Stimulator builds lean muscle, a stronger core, and a better body.
Everyday aches and pains deserve a healthy, natural solution. The ETU 134 TENS unit uses electrodes to stimulate nerves that help relieve pain, relax muscles, and alleviate symptoms of carpal tunnel. Once the device is charged, you can get started. First, attach the electrode pads to the lead wires. Then, place the pads on the desired treatment area. Next, insert the lead wires into the TENS unit. After that, you can turn on the TENS unit. The easy interface and clear LCD display let you personalize your treatment with 6 timer settings, 15 massage modes, and 20 intensity levels. With its dual-channel system, the TENS unit provides comfort for multiple problem areas at once, offering a quick, cheap, and healthy alternative to other methods of pain relief. Don't let discomfort define your day-to-day life. Find relief with the ETU 134 TENS unit.
Vibrantor Touchscreen TENS unit, a perfect choice for pain relief. The large screen and icons make it easy to read and simple to use. The sensitive touch screen provides a better touch response. The prolonged battery life supports a 40-hour of use on a single charge. Before use, connect the lead wire with pads. Attach the pads to your skin. Then plug the lead wire into the device port. Now, long press to turn on the device. Next, select one connected channel and set it. Choose a mode you like for the selected channel. We provide 24 MDOs for your options. Choose the most comfortable intensity for that channel. Then set the other channel likewise. Then, set the time you want, and enjoy the massage. You can lock the screen after setting to prevent accidental touch. After massage, long press to turn off the unit.
Are you bothered by pain? Oven Dual Channel TENS unit can help with drug-free pain relief. The pin electrode pads provide a stable current. For the best result, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Oven offers 20 modes and intensities for your option. You can set independent modes and intensities for this dual-channel unit. The electrode pads of 2 different shapes are suitable for different areas.
Here is an example of using 4 pads at the same time. First, take out 4 TENS unit pads and 2 2-in-1 electrode leads. And connect the pads to the electrode leads like this. Remove the protective film on the pads. Attach pads to the treatment area. Make sure your skin is free from dirt, oil or lotion. Connect the electrode wire to the AB channel hole on the TENS. Turn on the switch of TENS. Press the middle button to select the AB channel. The AB channel is used to control the intensity of different pads respectively. After selecting the channel, press the plus or minus button to gradually increase or decrease the intensity of this channel's pads. The TENS have 24 modes. You can use the M button to choose the mode that suits you. Use the T button to control the time each TENS uses. The default is 20 minutes and the maximum can be set to 60 minutes. You can press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds to lock the use of TENS. Of course, you can also long press the middle button to unlock the TENS. We specially provide a bag for TENS, which is convenient for customers to put away or carry after use. This is where the pads are recommended to stick to the body.
Do you suffer from neck, back, shoulder, leg, or joint pain? The TE 2017 TENS EMS unit offers effective relief for all your pain points. Take control of your life and get professional, at-home therapy anytime and anywhere at your leisure. You don't have to live with pain anymore. Offering dual channel, 12 settings, and 20 intensity levels in Safety Lock feature. Use it to strengthen and tone your muscles. It helps with muscle spasms, joint pain, and also increases your range of motion as well as muscle recovery. Recommended by many physicians to their patients during post-surgery recovery. Use it at work or during your commute by car, train, or plane. Simply select your mode and intensity level, set the therapy treatment time ranging from 10 to 60 minutes, use the lock function, and begin. There is no better way to get effective relief quickly, anytime, anywhere. The TENS EMS unit is portable, lightweight, and safe to use.
Have you ever suffered from neck, back, shoulder, leg, or knee pain? Muscle TENS EMS unit is a multifunctional muscle stimulator. It lets you relieve pain at points that add a lot of discomforts. Enjoy your life and take a professional in-home therapy anytime and anywhere. Get rid of pain is even easier. Select the appropriate mode and intensity, and with just a couple of clicks you're done. Compact size dual channel TENS EMS unit obtains 12 modes, 20 intensity levels, memory, and lock screen functions. Relieve muscle soreness gradually. Now with more capabilities, it's more versatile and effective, especially when you suffer from pain that affects your mobility and caused by muscle spasms, joint pain, increased muscle hardness, back pain, sports injuries. TENS unit is used to alleviate pain even during post-surgery recovery and recommended by the doctors to accelerate the rehabilitation process. Take it with you on the go anywhere and anytime to apply it at work, in the car, train, or plane. Set therapy treatment time ranging from 10 to 60 minutes. Set the required mode, intensity level, and therapy treatment time ranging from 10 to 60 minutes. There is no better way to get effective and efficient relief instantly. Muscle TENS EMS unit is the perfect way to support and heal your body almost anywhere, as it is portable, lightweight, and safe to use.
We hope you like our video. Subscribe to our channel for more new videos and the latest information. Please write your opinion in the comments section.